So
seiki SE65UY04 for the backlight. We're gonna take all the screws.
I'm still taking the corner. So we're like going to fix the TV.
All right, guys.
So.
All right, move that one.
This screws my.
Where you put my phone?
I don't know.
Wait.
It was on the table. You put it somewhere.
All right, we need to take this one here. And we're gonna take this metal, this shell here.
Guys, the problem is the LED lights. I'm gonna replace it and show you how. But I'm figuring. So guys. And
No
Jack.
talking, no talking.
And I don't know. We have to take these out. So I'm gonna use these.
It's okay, I can do it.
Now what's next?
Next, we disconnect.
These? Can I take both of these?
No, that's one.
Now what's next? Take
Yeah, we can disconnect this ones just from here.
that from there. And next is up. So we take them out here. How did you do that? Because he has a gun up. Now what's next?
Alright. So we're gonna flip the TV and take the screen.
The screen? But guys,
So with some help, we get the screen.
we need to take these out first.
So this TV is a little bit complicated. It's not like a Samsung. You're gonna need to take the screen panel board.
And there's glue on it.
Yeah, you try to move it a little bit without damaging the cove.
We can't damage it.
The one in the bottom over there.
This
So
TV
don't pull
is
it too hard, because
You already did that.
so you do it all the way to over there. Put all the speaker and wires on the top of the screen. So the screen should be facing the ground. Be sure there is nothing on the, like, put a carpet or don't scratch the screen.
But not the floor. But not the floor, guys, because it's...
There is a clips here. If you can see it.
Wait, what did you say?
Give me some light, Sophia, here.
Oh,
When you
wait.
come, come over on this side.
Okay. Wait.
So there is a clip over there holding this one, and we start like this. So there is a clip over there, you can see this one here. So we're gonna need
We need what?
to lift the screen.
You may
Just the mirror.
You may
And
need
there
this
is a
one.
couple of them. You can see one is here. And you go all around the screen. When you reach the corner and you lift the corner, put something like that. And the other corner as well. And you go, all the clips should be free. Then you're gonna need to lift this back cover in this way up, and the screen is gonna stay in the bottom. This is the way to take apart this TV. So this is the screen. We take the back completely up and we flip it here. So this is the coffies and this is the screen panel board. You can see it. Just be careful to don't damage nothing here, and watch the corners when you are sticking something to lift the metal. don't go this far. So it's better you stay away from the screen and these covers. So here we're gonna check this plastic, the black plastic here. There is a screws holding it. Then we check the films and we're gonna reach the backlight.
Oh, we do these here.
Yeah, we take these bars that's holding the films.
So now we're going to take out these.
And you can see now the backlight is over there.
Yeah, but we need to put a new one.
The hardest part is to remove this back from the screen.
So
So
we can't cross.
yeah, definitely you're gonna need help. We put the films over there.
Yeah, I put them over there.
Good girl.
Again. So we're taking out these things out. And next we may take out this part, and next we make things the backlight.
Yep.
Yeah, and then we need to put these back.
Yep.
That's what we all need to do. Then we the red one and the black one.
And then so yeah,
So
it's
they
good.
work? This
Yeah.
one is good. Let's go test this one.
So that one it doesn't work. Next
Okay,
one.
we need to replace it. This one works perfectly. Just to show this, like the blue thing, like the. Wait, that doesn't. Wait, I think. Yeah, that one. Oh yeah, it does work. So it worked.
Yes.
Next one, you're gonna do 3 and I do. Okay. Looks like. Are you doing it right? No, the black one and red one. Black one and red
Doesn't
one.
look like it's working.
No, it does.
I'm here.
So we're gonna. So we're gonna. If you wanna work these, you just need to see the plus and the minus.
The plus and the minus, okay. The red and the plus.
How to get it work? Oh yeah. So it works.
This one good.
Now let's try
So
the
so
next.
far we find 2 backlights are bad, but we're gonna change all of them.
Now let's see what is the next one is good.
Check
Or
this
the
one.
bad. You remember you need to see
All right,
the
do it.
pluses and the minuses. Yep, she is right.
Okay, this one is good. Next.
Last one. So I'm gonna do it. So it doesn't work, so we have to take this.
No.
We have one.
Oh no.
This LED doesn't work.
I'm trying again. I tell you, these LED lights are just.
Thank you for help. This is the new backlight. Okay, let's
And
plug
it
it.
works. And it's bright.
Push the power button.
Yeah. Come on.
This one.
Oh yeah. Let's go see if it will work.
Plug it, Sophia.
Magic
girl.
reveals. I think it's gonna work. Who thinks it's gonna work?
No, it's plugged. It's fine.
But why is it not going on?
Oh, I pushed the wrong button.
And nothing. See that? Oh jeez. So
Stop saying that.
it
All
works.
the backlights are on, and it's good.
One of them they had it a missing part, but my dad got one from.
Yeah, it
old
was one
lens.
lens. It was missing, so we glued a new lens in it. So let's start putting the TV together, and we put the screws.
We need to put it back. And I hope you learned from this video. So we took it all black. We put in all the screws and we're gonna put the screen on. No.
After we put the films, we put these bars. Then we're gonna screw the bars.
With these. This repair was not even easy, but this one was hard. So let's go turn it on. We fixed it all that way. Turn it on. It has a little ditch, but if we fixed this and it works.
Yeah. That spot over there is not a backlight issue, that's just the lamp. You can see it is moving when I move the camera position.
Yeah, this is the end of. I hope you learn how to fix this TV. And